In this video, we'll be painting a very simple beginner painting with colorful sky and some cottages. Everything is actually, cottages are actually based on perspective drawing. Before we get into that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, this painting is actually a very beginner painting, but make sure that you follow along with whatever I've done, however I've applied layers. So it's wet on wet. Some of the paintings you might have seen, sometimes I do even wet on dry, but again this is wet on wet. Drawing of those cottages were based on 2-point perspective. Perspective is very important in this. Most of the lines are actually joined both on left vanishing point and right vanishing point, and I'll be posting the entire video on my site, which will also have a sketch which has the points where I actually drew those lines from. So that actually, or otherwise you can also check out my perspective course, which shows you exactly from different subjects, different directions, different point of view, and 2-point and 3-point perspectives on most of the subjects just around you. So everything is there. Just follow along with this. It's just very simple. Just make sure that you are using very good watercolor paper. So that's the only thing. If not, when I tried to apply this paint these cottages, the surface was dried, so you just have to wait. I just waited in between these two sessions. If not, you can use a hot air gun or anything, then you can make that dry. So that's one, those are the two things that you need to remember for this painting. And apart from that, just use bright colors. And if you're watching this for the sake of enjoying the videos, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in some other video.